Hello, today I'll be talking about heptane. General information about heptane includes its name. Heptane comes from the name for the straight-chained saturated hydrocarbon alkane with 7 carbon atoms and 16 hydrogen atoms. It is fully saturated because it contains no double bonds between carbons. At room temperature, heptane is a colorless liquid with a gasoline-like odor. It readily gives off fumes, and both the liquid and the fumes are highly flammable. Here's some chemical info. The chemical formula is H3CH2-5CH3, or in easier terms, C7H16. It appears as a colorless liquid and is petrolic in odor. Dangers and toxicity of heptane are very dangerous, very dangerous. The problem is that prolonged exposure to heptane has significant risks to damaging skin, the respiratory tract, and the central nervous system. When heptane is used indoors in a poor ventilated area and the skin is not being protected by gloves, the PEL, or permissible exposure level, can easily be exceeded and do some serious damage. Additionally, it is flammable, so it should not be used in water heaters or furnaces. Here is the structure of heptane, the condensed structure. Here's a line drawing of heptane, a Kekulé structure or Lewis structure, a ball and stick model, and a heptane, a perspective formula of heptane. The properties of heptane include a molecular formula of C7H16, a molar mass of 100.0202 grams per mole, a melting point of negative 91 degrees Celsius, and a boiling point of 98 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water and has a density of 679.5. On the octane rating scale, heptane is at the lowest point, 0. It is an undesirable in petrol because it burns explosively, causing engine knocking as opposed to branch chain octane isomers, which burns more slowly and gives better performance. It was chosen at the 0 point in the scale because of the availability of very high purity N heptane, unmixed with other isomers of heptane or other alkanes, distilled from the resin of Jeffrey pine or sap, and from the fruit of Pittosporum resiniferum, or resin. Here is sap from Jeffrey pine resin tree, Pittosporum resiniferus fruit. Some uses of heptane include it is great for grease spot tests, and it is usually used to dissolve the oil spot to show the previous presence of organic compounds on a stained paper. This is done by shaking the stained paper in a heptane solution for about half a minute. Heptane and its many isomers are widely used in laboratories as a totally nonpolar solvent. Its liquid form is ideal for transport and storage. It is used as a solvent in adhesives, aerosol cleaners, and solvent extraction of vegetable oils and essential oils. And here are my sources. Thank you.